Hi, I'm Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes, and today we're going to make some steak fries on the Blackstone Griddle. I looked all over YouTube for some steak fry recipes on the griddle. Didn't find any. Anyway, I decided I'd go ahead and make them so you can see how it's done. So
okay, for our steak fries, I got a mess of potatoes here. They're all washed and scrubbed. We're gonna microwave them for about 6 minutes and get them part-way cooked. And then we're gonna let them cool. We'll cut them in wedges and get them out on that Blackstone.
So if you've ever done potatoes in the microwave, usually we put them in a pouch. There's so many, I'm just gonna cover them with a towel. And we're gonna go for 6 minutes right now. We'll check them a little bit, and then we'll let them cool off. These potatoes, I ended up going a total of 15 minutes for that many potatoes in here. And they are hot. They're not cooked all the way. We're gonna let those cool off so we can cut them up, and then we'll get them on the Blackstone and make the steak fries out of them, wedge fries, whatever you want to call them. We're gonna cut our steak fries up. Cool off a little bit. Make wedges out of them. They're still hot inside. I might need to let these cool a little bit. Just like that. Let them cool a little bit more. We're going to get all these wedges cut. Get them out of the grill. Okay, Blackstone's up to temp. I'm going to lay down some avocado oil. Plenty of it since we want to fry these a little bit. Get our steak fries on there. Ouch. Sitting next to the grill. Inside's hot. Be careful when you set stuff down on these. Okay, in order to keep you awake, I am going to speed this up a little bit. I'm getting tired of watching. All right, we got all the potatoes on here. Now the main thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the flesh side is down on the griddle so it can brown up. It takes a little while to get them all turned. Get the oil covering both sides, and you'll be fine. Just you gotta move them around, check the underneath part, and that's all you gotta do. Just keep moving them. Make sure the flesh is down, check underneath. You want to get them browned up nice. Set apart here. These are getting nice and golden brown. Just gotta keep an eye on them. Flip them every now and then. These, they're going to be delicious. Of course, if you've seen even one of my videos, you know I got to do my garlic pepper on these. And just regular table salt. And right there's how you do steak fries. Wedge fries, whatever you want to call them. I call them delicious.